Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to delete notes from Instagram Reels and posts in this tutorial. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on your profile at the bottom right. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Tap on your activity. Tap on Notes. Here you can view all of the notes that you posted. Tap on Select at the top right. Then select the ones you want to delete. Then simply tap on Delete at the bottom once you're done. Tap on Delete again to confirm. And that is how to delete notes from Instagram Reels and posts. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.